sweet vermicelli Sawaiyan. In a pan, add butter and melt it. Now add 1 bowl of colorful vermicelli. Fry it completely. Add 2 to 3 green cardamom. You can also use cardamom powder in it. Now add 2 cups of milk in it. Cook it until it starts boiling. Cook it on low flame until vermicelli cooks completely. Now add 4 to 5 TBSp of sugar and half cup of milk powder in it. Mix it well until everything dissolves and no lumps created in it. Colourfull vermicelli are ready to serve. Enjoy it hot or cold according to your taste. This recipe is everyone's favorite must-try. And share your feedback with us.